Welcome to Whispers. So, there's this crazy buzz going around that FG intends to make up Nigeria 42 states. I mean, is that the next thing? So, it's turned out to be a false alarm. So, let's find out. Facts check. There is no bill to make Nigeria have 42 states. A viral WhatsApp post which has been forwarded, shared many times as indicated by the instant messaging application entitled "Below is the purported kite being flown by the federal government, Nigerian Economic Restructuring Bill 2021, claimed that Nigeria will be made up of 42 states with 7 per each of a constituent geopolitical zone. The post, which bears the author as Owuye on his website, said Nigeria will be made up of 42 states with 7 per each of a constituent geographical zone. These shall be Bayelsa State, Yenagoa, Western Ijaw State, Patani, Rivers State, Port Harcourt, Cross River State, Calabar, Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, Edo State, Bini, Delta State, Warri, Mambila State, Gashaka, Taraba State, Jalingo, Yabo State, Damaturu, Bauchi State, Bauchi, Gombe, Anioma State, Asaba, Orasi State, Omuku, Anambra State, Okwa, Imo State, Owerri, Enugu, Abia, Umuahia, Ebonyi State, Abakaliki, Abuja, Guarara State, Kafancha, Benue State, Makurdi, Plateau State, Jos, Nasarawa State, Lafia, Kogi State, Lokoja, Niger State, Mina, Kwara State, Ilorin, Oyo State, Ibadan, Ogun State, Abeokuta, Lagos State, Ikeja, Ondo, Akure, Ekiti, Ado-Ekiti, Osun, Osogbo, Sokoto State, Sokoto, Kebbi State, Bani Kebbi, Kaduna State, Kaduna, Katsina State, Katsina, Kaduna State, Kaduna, Jigawa State, Dutse, Zamfara State, Gusau. And these 42 states are divided. Each of the zones, like it has the south made of 7 states, northeast 5 states, southeast 7, north central 7, southwest 7, northwest 3. So okay, the post, which has also been shared to other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter, has generated mixed reactions. Many have debated and deliberated over the post, but yet there's nothing as such. So Nigeria is a federation of 36 states and 1 federal capital territory. Each of the 36 states is a semi-autonomous political unit that shares powers with the federal government as enumerated under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. From 1960 to 1966, Nigeria operated on the basis of Northern Region, Western Region, Eastern Region, and the Midwestern Region. The creation of states began in 1967 with General Yakubu Gowon coming to power via a coup d'etat. It dissolved the regions and created 12 states out of them. In verifying the authenticity of the posts, there are searches through the internet to find a traceable background link to the post, but no credible media outlet has reported any news about the purported bill. A Twitter account owned by Owuye where the story was shared after it was posted on its website, created more clarification about the post. While responding to inquiries via his Twitter direct message on the purported bill which bears his name, he said, "It was just a proposal from me. I intend to publish a collection of all my thoughts in a book," he added. Akifewu, authored the piece, said he writes 10-point columns every day on his website. However, the London-based journalist said, "Ignore all those wayo people attributing it to the government." The senior special assistant to the president was also contacted. The senior special assistant to president on media and publicity, Garba Shehu, in his reaction, he described the report as unknown and asked that the presidency be left out of it since it has no draft bill from the presidency. The trading piece, which has been attributed to the federal government, is false. The author, Ayo Akife, clarified that he wrote the piece as a proposal in his column. Hence, the Nigerian Economic Restructuring Bill 2021 is not a purported kite being flown by the federal government as widely speculated on WhatsApp and other social media platforms. So guys, there you have it. So state creation, is that the next thing? In everything going on, they cannot even try that. So there you have it. This is somebody's thought. And because the way people, everywhere is tensed up. So, but let's be careful. Let's be careful how we interpret things. And whatever it is, we're spreading. So it is false, guys. It is false. I just feel that I have to get to the bottom of it. And there you have it. So from my own findings, so that is what I found. It's a false. It's false. It's being fact checked, and then there is no bill to make Nigeria have 42 states. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. They wish that is not even the next thing. Like states, the ones that they created, have they maintained it? Are they being sustained? Are they even up to standard? More states for what? No, they can have more states if they want to, but no, Yoruba nation stands. So, and well, I'm watching it. I'm enjoying the drama. I think all the actors, by the time they finish the episodes, they will get the Oscar award. We have to nominate them for Oscar, or the rubbish Oscar. So. There you have it, guys. It's a quick one, so till I come your way again. Bye.